Hey guys, this is MORGBORG here, taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy S5 that I removed carrier branding from using my own tutorial. So, this is a SMG900A, which for you guys that don't know, by the way, it's the AT&T version. You can see I didn't get a different back cover for it, but I did modify the software to remove the carrier branding. So let's start by taking a look at the boot animation. By the way, I put safe strap on it, so that's why it says custom. Yeah, so if you want to have reference as to something to compare it to, the international version, I'll have a link to Adrianison's video of this phone in a card in the top right corner, so you can see the stock Samsung boot animation and boot sound. And yeah, I also downgraded it to KitKat, which was a nice touch. Yeah, so you can tell right off, no bloat. You do not see any AT&T bloat. And then looking in the app drawer, nothing. Well, I have root browser there, but that was something I put on it. But that's the modified boot animation and sound, as well as removing bloatware. And also I modified the shutdown to match the factory unlocked Samsung Galaxy S5. Oops, sorry about that. And yeah, that's my modified Samsung Galaxy S5. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, peace.